Hello and welcome to Flipkart. I'm Radhika Dang, your product expert, and today I'm going to tell you something about Solo microwaves. In this video, I'm going to share pointers on what you should know when you're looking out to buy one. What features will fit your specific needs? What specifications will be the answers to your pain points? And more. To begin with, microwaves have been one of the better innovations of our times, which have definitely revolutionized cooking or the way we cook. We have substantially moved past traditional LPG and have adopted other modes. Microwaves are one of the cost-efficient and safer modes of cooking. With simple features and a user-friendly interface, they have made cooking super quick, so now you don't have to wait long for hot and delicious meals. Let's talk about Solo microwaves. Solo microwaves are effective and easy to use and can be categorized as basic versions of microwaves. They're most handy for reheating, cooking simple dishes like carrot halwa, basic vegetables like broccoli, buttercorn, etc., which honestly does the job for me. The biggest positive attribute of a Solo microwave is that it fulfills all basic functions end-to-end for a user at a very accessible price point. The prices for these start as low as Rs 4,000. These Solo microwaves are available in various capacities. The key question you should be asking is, what is your requirement? More than often, the capacity requirement can be mapped to your family size. A small family of 2 to 3 are good with a 17 to 20 litre version. A family of 3 to 4 would require 25 litres, and 28 litres or more should suffice a larger family. Some Solo microwaves come with additional features, such as auto-cook menus that let you prepare healthy food quickly in the comfort of your home. Child lock for safety that helps keep your children safe from microwave oven-related dangers. Preheating for specific dishes. Jog dials and different power levels that let you control the cooking temperature. These features help make your cooking experience both quick and convenient at the same time. Another huge benefit of a Solo microwave is its power efficiency. These are more efficient as compared to a convection microwave. For example, a 25-litre Solo microwave will consume lesser energy than a convection microwave for the same usage. So that's all you must know about the Solo microwave before making the right choice for yourself and your family. Make this right choice the smart one by buying it without any second thoughts on Flipkart. Because here you get options of no-cost EMIs, quick delivery, hassle-free installation, a detailed demo, and a short brand warranty. So what are you waiting for? Come join the Flipkart family now. That's all from me today. Have a perfect buy.